may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved in stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved in stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang. Oh, a nightingale sang. Yes, a nightingale sang